Hello guys, today I will show you how to use Kaiber AI. So first head over to Google and type in Kaiber AI. Now click on the first link. Now click on Start Creating. Blue button here. It will be redirected to the creation page of your images using Kaiber AI. So let's log in with our Google account here. Let's give access to with our Google account. And now here we have to create, for example, typing, create an image. So this is the workflow that will help us to create an image here. So you can use a workflow which is a text prompt or any other, for example, text prompt or image, to create an image using Kaiber AI. So we can here use the model that you want to create the image with, for example, Nano Banana. And here just have to add another block of create image. You can also add other blocks so you can upload media, create a video, or add assets. For example, here you can just choose this option and here just make an image, explore all tools. You can have create image video, create studio. You can also add another workflow here. Click on editor. You can switch back to canvas. So you get the idea, guys. We upload an image here and we're able to create our final image using KPI, or we can use also a text prompt. So we here added our collection to create the image. You can also add an image collection. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe and leave a comment.